Flies like Rob Holland, ladies and gentlemen. Right in stage center now. Let's watch him dial it up. Crisp and precise, putting it right on the numbers, and then getting very creative, and why he is a multiple winner of the World Freestyle Championships. Some of these maneuvers that he has invented himself, and again, putting it right on the numbers. Watch now. Again, precise, positive, and negative G's, pushing and pulling as many as 16. There's those negative G's now as he gets to visit breakfast and lunch all over again. The bile and the fluids coming up in his body, into his throat. Pushes 0G over the top, flips forward, you're not seeing things, and then flies out of it still connected. Pilots in the crowd right now probably scratching their heads going, what? 10, 11, 12 G's. Up and around, he's still pulling those G's. And can he throw that airplane around? He sure can. Around he goes, and this time, let's spin it like a Frisbee. As he slows down, he's got just enough speed to actually throw it through the sky in what he calls the Frisbee, and continues to not only fly it, but fly it doing aerobatics. Dropping down, he builds up that speed to over 250 miles per hour. Pulling back, he loads the G's on the plane in his body, and he gets ready to head back up for more. Punishing G's, and let's do that Frisbee inverted, and then it almost comes to a stop, as you can see, and yet continues to fly away from it. Energy management's what it's all about. Up and down, and then round and round with every input he's doing right now. Drag slows the airplane down almost to a hover now as he fights with the horsepower to keep it flying, and then drops right back down again to pick up some more airs.
And ask each and every one of you to help do me a favor. You see a military man or woman in uniform, or a veteran. I want to walk up to them, look them in the eyes, shake their hands, say thank you. Sacrifice, bravery, dedication gives each and every one of us the freedom they cherish so much. From the bottom of my heart, I'd like to dedicate this heart to each and every one of them.
And the G's as he dives down and builds up that airspeed, ladies and gentlemen. Watch it all increase now. Fast, 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 more precise. He dials it up. Look at the round and round he goes. The Earth's getting big, big, big. And now he's going to pull back with some punishing G's and begin the second half. Let's watch him fly. I swear at times you'd think this was an RC model airplane, and yet the human being at the controls, your current and multiple U.S. champion, world freestyle champion, Rob Holland. Brought to you by IAC, International Aerobatics Club, and of course E3 Aviation, www.e3aa.com. Exclusive membership for pilots and students, providing discounts on aviation products and services, as well as access to a massive database of content covering all aspects of aviation. AirShell. Rob has been a lifetime user of AeroShell products, including AeroShell W100 Plus, currently using it in the engine of his 360 horsepower MXS-RH today. Slowing it down in these slow rolls, introducing longer periods of drag that bleeds off the energy, and he's watching those numbers to keep that plane flying. The angle of attack has to be right, the airspeed has to be right, or the wing just doesn't work. So once he's got it right, he pushes negative G's back up into the vertical, and when he climbs, it means he wants more energy for more smash as he forward flips the airplane. Amazing. Comes out inverted, still flying, and now building up that airspeed. He needs that extra altitude to convert into even more energy. The custom-built MXS-RH that he flies, built for the way he flies. And that is so aggressive, as up and around he goes, and keeping that airplane connected and flying. Again, end to end, up and down, connecting all of these maneuvers one after the other in a terrific lesson of energy management. Facebook.com/RH Aerosports, Twitter and Instagram at Rob Holland 5150. Share your photos and your stories and your comments as he brings it out of the almost stall, dancing on the edge of stall, pushes over and powers out in his final series of maneuvers.
Yeah.